Hi, today I'm in front of your Redmi 12R and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first we should hold for a while the application and drag this up to another one, and by this way we just successfully created the new home screen folder. If you want to rename the folder or to give a name to the folder, just open it, tap on the name and enter the new one, for example the apps. To move folder on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold and drag it. Also, we could edit the folder. To change the folder name, just hold for a while the folder, tap to edit, and here you'll see the size, the regular one and large and XXL. So you could select one from the available sizes. You could switch it like this. So also we get the chance to remove the application from the folder. Just open it. If you want to remove the folder from the folder to home screen, you just should hold it and drag it to the home screen. But if you want to remove application from the folder and from the home screen, hold it and just tap to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.